Sometimes the question arises, when is it appropriate to use healthcare or property powers of attorney? And oftentimes people think that the documents or instruments are only meant for the aged or elderly, but in fact, based upon some practical experiences with clients, we found that it's been a useful proposition for parents and high schoolers that have recently graduated to consider. Under Illinois law, once a child reaches the age of 18, the term emancipation applies. That means that that child has the right to make decisions for themselves. And in fact, when a child goes away to college, we find that there's a practical benefit for parents and children to continue the legal connection through what we call advanced directives. Imagine a child with the unfortunate incident of an accident where they lose consciousness and need intensive care. And so having a directive called a healthcare power of attorney can be very useful to that parent who's sending their child to college for the first time. An explanation to your child would entail explaining why these type of directives, whether they're a healthcare power of attorney, a property power of attorney, or a HIPAA authorization, would be useful in the event something happens that requires their use while away at college. We would ask your child to appoint or nominate an individual to make decisions for them in the event that they had a serious health issue arise while at college. So consider that as a useful tool as you prepare to send your child away to college, giving you the assurances that despite the emancipation under Illinois law, you still have the right to make these very important decisions where your child suffers some serious illness and cannot make them for themselves.